How to create a share iCloud link of selected images in Photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Photos app. In here, go to your picture album or library and select the image that you want to share. So here I will select 4 pictures and then tap on the share button. From here, we scroll down and tap on copy iCloud link, and this will generate an iCloud link. Once it is copied to the clipboard, you can then share it to your friends via text messages, via WhatsApp or other messenger. So here, if I open it, so I open up Safari. In here, I can go to my URL address bar and I can paste it and then tap on go, and this will open up my photos that I've shared to iCloud and other people can easily view it. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.